Okay. I have the quiz pulled up.
Okay. Yeah, me too. So for the first one, for P1, so I think we do X over N.
Uh-huh.
Then, let's see, P1 be the proportion of females. So I think it's just 18 divided by 35.
Yeah, which would be 0.514.
Okay.
And now we define P2, and then to find P2, it's X2 over N2. So that'd be 17 over 94.
Let me see. Oh, yeah, are we doing, for people who can taste or people who can't taste?
Is the proportion of females who can taste the PTC different than the proportion of females who can taste PTC?
Okay, so so the first one would be 52 divided by 49 then.
52.
Or 94.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah, and if we're wrong, we can always. So that came out to 0.553.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Then the next one would
So for the
42 over 94 still. That would be 0.447.
yeah, that's what I got too.
Cool. And then 5, which set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the research question?
Okay.
First one says P1 equals P2.
So it's asking if it's
Saying is the proportion
proportion
of females who can taste the PTC different than the proportion of males who can taste PTC?
okay. So it would just be different. So that means it would be one of the non-equal to.
So would it be, so it's either the first one or the last one?
I think it would be the first one because I don't think you ever change because the last one has P hat on it.
Uh-huh.
I think it would be the first.
Okay. And then now create a 95% confidence interval for P1 minus P2. Input your answers, margin of error, lower and upper bound.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so this one is a big formula.
It's ginormous.
Yeah. So I think we should both do it and see if we get the right one. Just to check.
Okay, I'm gonna get the calculator out.
Okay. And then for the 95 percentile, is that what it's asking us, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it'll be 1.96 to use for Z star. Okay, so let's.
Oh gosh. Okay. I just always throw my parentheses in the wrong place. So would you double parentheses in the beginning?
So I just do P hat minus 1 or P2 hat first, and then I take that and do plus, and then put in 1.96, and then parentheses it.
That makes sense. Okay.
Oh, dang.
It's gonna take me forever.
Yeah.
Literally. Minus.
Oh, what's N1?
I have no idea. N's always like the top.
Yeah, so with that was just a BN94, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. I think what I'm going to do is after that equation, I'm going to put plus and then do another radical sign.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah,
Just so that both of them are under the radical.
that makes sense.
I don't know, in the videos, he had like a cool like thing in SPSS.
Mm-hmm.
He just plugged it into a table, but I couldn't find it, and I was going to look at the textbook and see. Then we didn't have to plug all this in.
Yeah, that would be way nice.
Yeah. Okay, so I did the upper bound.
And one, you just got 9, you just used 94, right?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on, I'm almost done.
You're good.
Okay, what did you get?
So for the lower, I got 0.106, and for the upper, I got 0.307.
Okay, I got the same for the upper.
Okay.
I probably messed up a decimal then. If we got the same for the upper. What did you get for the lower?
0.106.
Okay.
Because I just went back in the equation, and you can just change the minus or plus sign.
I made the mistake of doing them separately. Okay.
Oh, wait. No. I just did it again. Why did that freak out? And I got negative 0.095. What's going on?
I can try to do it again.
Well, what did you get?
I got that same negative number,
Okay.
but I don't know if I did it right.
Let me see.
This one is ginormous.
Oh my gosh, every time I go in and change it to a minus, it gives me a different answer.
I would go with just your first
What does that even mean?
because I don't know if I'm doing this right. Because I think I clicked
Yeah, let me see.
equal twice, and I think that screwed something up.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Okay. So. Oh. Let's see. So I switched. I don't know. Just wait.
Because I got a negative my first time, but I don't know if I messed it up, so.
Okay. Oh, geez. You know, I got like a completely different answer. Let me see if there's like a thing in the textbook that we can use.
All it gives us is that giant formula.
Mm-hmm.
And then it just shows how to
I
find.
mean, it tells us, yeah, how to make a pie chart. Give us the formula. Dang. Because it seriously, he just like plugged it in and it worked.
That's freaking awesome. I want that.
And I was trying to look for it on SPSS, but always you need data first.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I don't know.
Now I'm all thrown off. Okay, because you got 0.106 the first time. Do you want to just try that?
Yeah, I will.
Now we should find the margin of error.
Yeah, so we just subtract. Oh wait, for the lower bound I got 0.01. Oh yeah, what did I get for upper?
I got 0.307.
Okay, for the upper.
Upper, yeah.
So crazy because if we get like one wrong, we get like all of these wrong. To subtract them and divide by 2. And I just got 0.1. Oh, maybe 0.01.
Wait, hold on. You just subtracted the 0.106, right?
From 0.307. And then divide by 2.
I got a negative 0.1005.
Oh, wait, that's probably right, because usually it's a negative.
Let
me try that again.
Negative 0.1.
What'd you get?
Negative 0.1.
A 1? You want to round? Do we round that?
1. Would you round it to 1, 0, 1?
Yeah, so yeah.
Yeah, I would. That makes sense to do that.
Okay.
Okay. Now question number 10. We would.
Did we get a P value?
Nope.
Oh, well.
Okay, did we skip question? No, we didn't. Hold on, I don't know where I just typed in something if it wasn't where I thought it was. So for number 6, it's 1.96, right? Or number 6 is where we'd find the p-value.
Oh. Wait, where did we read the margin of error? Oh.
We just skipped number 6.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, so what we got for number 6, okay, yeah, is our margin of error for number 7. I switched it. Okay, so so how do we find that?
Isn't point estimate just going to be?
Because we have 2 though, don't we? Because we have P1 and P2.
Yeah.
In the textbook it gives us. Okay, nope, that's the test statistic. The z-score. Okay, so we have to find, well, it's asking for
the point
estimate. I don't think the point estimate is the p-value, is it?
Let me look.
Because for the p-value, we would have to find the z-score and then plug it into the applet.
True. I don't know what it is then. All I looked up a single value given as an estimate for a parameter of a population. It's like nowhere in the book. Like point estimate is located nowhere in the book.
Yeah. Because it's asking for the 95 confidence interval.
Mm-hmm.
So we could use the 1.96.
So is the negative 0.101 our for number 7?
The negative 101, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so I don't know, maybe let's move on and go back to it.
So for 10 then, are we just gonna pick one, I guess?
Yeah, we could.
Okay.
I don't know.
I don't know what are you feeling?
Well, because, two of them have an A and two of them have an O.
Uh-huh.
So let's go back up and see what. So it's HO. I think it would be one of those.
Okay. Let's fail to reject.
Okay.
So that would mean there is sufficient evidence, right?
No, if we fail. Wait, do we fail to reject or reject?
We failed to reject.
So yeah, there would be. Let's see. I think it's. Failed to reject is insufficient evidence.
Insufficient?
Yeah.
So it would be either the top one or the last one. So I think it'd be the last one.
Oh yeah, the last one, because it's saying they're different. That's what we're testing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So it would either be the third or the fourth.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah.
For 12, we should need to know if the conditions for the hypothesis are satisfied.
Okay, so let's see what's the hypothesis. So I have those formulas. Those are in the book.
Uh-huh.
So what's it asking?
If it's satisfied.
Okay. Who have a heart attack and who are admitted to the hospital. I mean, I guess we could just choose which one. There's only
I would say two.
Okay.
Which set of hypotheses are appropriate for addressing the research question?
Okay. So the question is, Alicia's question for the study is if the proportion of patients who have a heart attack are admitted to the hospital on a weekday who die less than the population of patients who have a heart attack and are admitted in the hospital on the weekend who die. What? That doesn't make any sense. Is patients who have a heart attack are admitted on the hospital on a weekday who die are less. Okay. So people who die on a weekday.
People who are put in on a weekend are more likely to die, or I mean on a weekday are more likely to die than those admitted on a weekend.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's weird. I would do the opposite. So
yeah,
what
I think
are more like so it would be the first one?
Yeah, that's what I would think.
Okay, and now we need to find P1 and P2.
Well, wait, maybe if it's less.
It's saying, oh, less
The
than the
first-
patients. Yeah. So it would be the last one.
Well, so if it is greater, then that would be your alternative. Does that make sense?
Yes. So would it be the first one still?
Yeah, I think it is still.
Okay. Now I need to find P1.
Okay.
It could be. We go
Of a heart attack.
since we're studying those who died, not those who died in, or would it be the total since we're trying to find the difference?
I think it would be died group 1 in week 2. So I think it would be, yeah. So group 1 we would do 16713 divided by the total 118519.
So that would be 0.141. And then
Okay.
finally, we would do 6155 divided by 42447. It would be 0.145.
Okay. So 5.
Then we can find the z-score.
Okay, so to find the z-score, oh man.
How do we find the z-score?
So it's, let me check. Okay, yeah. So it's
another bit
like,
formula, isn't it?
Yeah, because it's P1
minus P2.
Yeah.
Minus P1
and minus just the regular roots and the root of all that.
Dang. Okay. So. Okay. Yeah. Oh gosh. Okay. It would be the 0.141.
So.
Minus 0.145. Minus. And then the P1 would be what? Just like the regular P. Would it be just the dyed amount?
Yeah. I think so.
16713.
Yeah.
Minus 16155. And then when you do the top part, do you enter it and then do the bottom part?
Yeah, I do.
So I got negative 10558.004, and then I'll do the bottom half, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Divided by square root of p hat, which is, which one would it be? Just the first one?
Let's see, what's it asking for? Oh. Yeah. Oh, the overall sample proportion is what it says in the book. So we need to find, like, it says to find that it's x1 plus x2 divided by n1 plus n2.
So would we add together the dyed and then add together the totals? And then put the equal over each other?
Yeah. Well, let's see. So 16713 plus
1 plus 5. Okay.
1.
And then we'd want to
Okay.
Then you just divide them. What'd you get?
I got 0.142.
Perfect. Got 0.142.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
And then you do 1 minus the same number. So it'd be 1 divided by N1, which would be the total, right?
And 1. The total of
The 118,519.
let me see. No, it would be of the sample, so 16713.
Okay.
Oh wait. A sample size for group 1. So yeah.
So just the diet.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Man, these are big problems.
This is like gonna drive me nuts.
Yeah.
Okay. I got a ginormous negative number.
Okay. I lost mine because I was solving the other one.
You're okay.
So
I doubt if we put that in the applet, the applet's gonna freak out.
you're right.
Because I got 202,000. Well,
Yeah.
I got 2 million something.
Okay.
If you get a better number, let me know.
Yeah. So P1.4. And then our P2.
3 decimals, that makes me laugh because this problem's huge.
145. Okay, I'm gonna try to plug it all in and do it real quick.
And I wonder if I'm doing the problem correctly because, do you see how the book breaks it down?
Yeah.
So would we do just the top formula, or would we just do because obviously minusing them, which one would we do? Just would we do the third one or the first one?
Oh yeah, I don't know. It just says the test statistic Z just gives you the formula, and then it says where, and it lists all what the different things mean. So let me see. Our P is just what we're doing. Our P value, just our regular P.
Yeah.
Is who died.
Mm-hmm.
So then divided by the square root of. What did we get? Do you remember what we got as our overall sample? Just a regular P hat?
We got 0.142.
Okay. One divided. Oh, so I think our N. Oh, so I think you were right. 85.
With it being the total.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'll try that. So being the 118,519.
Uh-huh. So I got a huge number too.
And then hold on, fix the second one.
Okay.
And then 42447.
And maybe I just did my parentheses wrong.
Yeah, I got like a ginormous number now. Like it. What did you get?
Okay, let's see.
Because I know what I just got is not right, because it's to like the 9th power.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me check. I'm actually going to check on the questions and conversations. See
That's a great idea. I can do it too.
if she said anything. There's just stuff about design, the study.
Awesome.
It's not helpful. Yeah, so no one's posted anything about this.
So the studies.
Cool.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Dang, that is weird. Maybe, here, let me open the prep work for beforehand, because I know the guy in the video SPSS as well, so maybe there's like a tutorial in the chapter before.
The book usually will give you like step-by-step instructions if it's in SPSS.
True.
And all it gives us is how to make a chart, side-by-side charts. I'm so confused.
I know, me too.
Okay, so I see, like, if you go to step 4 on, like, the side-by-side chart section, it says, like, p hat 1 minus p hat 2 minus p1 minus p2 over square root of p hat p hat parentheses 1 minus p hat parentheses u 1. I guess I can try the formula again.
Okay.
Minus.
I mean, we could do like each parentheses separately.
Again.
Maybe.
For P1, just like regular P, we were using the total, correct?
Regular P. No, we were using, wait, for P1 on top of the formula. We were using who died.
Just died population?
Yeah. Because that's our P, like our X.
Yeah.
I thought it would be that.
Okay, and then I'm going to divide that number by square root of, and then P hat, what number did we get again?
P hat for,
like regular P hat, just like for overall.
I think it was 0.142. Yeah, 0.142.
Okay. 142.
Maybe let's check that again. So x1 plus x2.
And then for the n, we're using totals, right? Yeah, I just did it again, and I got a giant number again. But a different giant number. I got like 5 million.
This is so weird.
Yeah, we should just like, because I know we need to figure out if we're going to shade to the right or the left of the p-value.
Yeah, and then the next one asks for the p-value.
Mm-hmm.
Can't find that without z. But we could do 19.
Yeah, we could just guess, honestly.
And what's 20?
I mean, I might
Yeah.
come here and be like, I did the problem 4 times, and each time I got a different answer.
Yeah. Yeah, because for 19, if we know what that is, then we know what 20 is. You know what I mean? Like, we can figure it out.
Yeah.
So at least we can get those.
Like freezing for like 19 and 20.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you want to fail to reject or reject?
Let's just reject it.
Okay. Which would mean we have
So
sufficient evidence.
And then what were we testing?
Deaths.
They die less.
It says
Or they're the ones
patients who have heart attacks and are admitted to the hospital on a weekday who die less than the proportion of patients who have a heart attack and are admitted in the hospital on a weekend who die.
Okay, so it's the third option.
Yeah, I would say so. Okay, I might just submit it and see if we're like on the right track on the other questions then.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. So, going off the top, we missed number 3 and 4. We got number 5 right.
Okay.
We missed number 6 and 7. And number 8 and 9.
Seriously?
Yeah, but we got 10. We got 11. We got 12. We missed 13. So I would assume it's the last one then.
Yeah.
We got 14, 15. We missed 16, obviously. We got, I guess, 17 to the left, and that was right.
Okay.
And we skipped 18, and then 19 we got right with reject, and then 20 we got right with the third option.
Ooh, we're good guessers.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so you said we got 3 and 4 round?
Yeah,
Dang it.
I know.
Let's see, we said we would check. Maybe, what?
So would we do like 18 over 70 instead of 94?
Well, let's look in the book, because I think, because our N1 is the number of that group. So yeah, it would be 70.
Okay.
Yeah, so it would be what, 52 over 70?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I got 0.743.
For the 3,
Yeah.
7.3.
Yeah, for 3.
Cool.
And then for 4, we do 42 divided by 59, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I got 0.712.
Okay. I'm just catching myself up.
Okay. 5 we got right?
Let me look. Yes, is it multiple choice? Yeah, we got 5 right, and then the next one we got right was 10.
Okay. So lower bound. Upper bound.
I have no idea. 7, 8, and 9 all wrong.
Oh, well, because we got 3 and 4 wrong. I think we did the formula right. We just plugged it in because we had the wrong number.
Duh. Okay.
Yeah. That big long formula. Okay, so P1 minus 2. And then oh, dang it. I didn't divide. Shoot. What do we divide it by? Or N1?
N1 and N2.
Okay, so that would be 70 for
Mm-hmm.
N1, right?
Yep.
And then put this one in. 59. Okay, so for upper, I got 0.249.
Okay, and what'd you get for the lower?
And lower, let me see. 0.031. That doesn't sound right.
Really?
Well, I don't know. Is that what you got?
Let me double check.
Okay. So I can plug it in again.
Freaking out. Hold on.
Okay.
I'm just gonna plug it in again.
Hey, yeah, me too. I feel like our test next week is gonna take so long to do.
Seriously.
It's gonna be
And then
crazy.
what's the z-score again for this? 1.96?
Yeah.
And then you enter that, and then you put everything in square root it, don't you?
Times
it all?
Oh, no, I don't. I just do my previous answer minus the 1.96. And then I just start plugging it in. But either way would work.
Mm-hmm. In N1, we're doing 70
Uh-huh.
and 59.
Yeah.
P2 was...
So I get negative 0.187.
Okay, I'm almost done. What did you get?
Negative 0.187.
Okay, that's what I got. Negative 0.187.
Yeah.
Okay, yep.
Okay. So
I was
then,
like the point estimate thing is.
yeah.
That well, because we did answer number 7, didn't we?
Yeah, so for margin of error, we do upper, right, minus lower?
Uh-huh.
Minus 2.
So the negative 0.187 is for number 6.
Is for number 8.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, so now we just minus those. Divide by 2.
Uh-huh. I got 0.218.
187. Yeah, I got the same thing, negative 0.218.
Mm-hmm.
Sweet. Negative point. Okay, and now we still need to figure out what.
Oh, so our point estimate is just our, so it was just our x, remember? It was just the number that, like, our
Oh, so would that be
population.
70 or 59, or would that be like total?
I think it might be,
Like, would it be 129?
yeah, I think so.
Okay,
I don't know, we can try it.
true.
Okay, and then we got 10 and 11.
Let me look. Yep, so we got 10 right, we got 11 right, we got 12 right. The next one we got was 13, but we decided it would be the last one.
Because they're not asking, yeah, okay. Because it's the less than or greater than 1.
We got 14 right and 15 right.
Okay,
And then we got, the next one we got wrong was 16.
the z-score.
But then after that, I think we got 18 wrong. Yeah. So we skipped 18. We got 17, 19, and 20 right.
Okay. For 17, you put to the left?
Yeah.
Okay. Darn. Okay. Z-score. So I think I'm just going to do like each one separately.
And then try it?
Yeah.
Okay, I can do that. I'm just
Yeah.
looking at the test because, like, we won't have a second chance to try the formulas differently.
Yeah.
So
I
I
know.
hope in, like, her review, she, like, shows where she puts all the parentheses and stuff and, like, how she does them. That way I can just mirror exactly what she does.
Mhm.
Because once I know how to do a formula, I can do it. It's just...
Yeah, it's just all the
This is
syntax.
like we just took a test. Feels like we just finished a test.
You know. Okay, and our P1 and P2, that would just be our X's. And for X's, we're doing died, so that would be 1, 6, 7, 1, 3, minus 6, 1, 5, 5. So that minus 1 over 5. That's what this call from Gary. Thanks. Hello. Oh, primary. Now we have negative. Okay, and then the lower. Oh, let's do that one differently.
What are you doing differently?
So for the second half of the problem, I won't do the radical yet. I'm gonna solve them and then times them and then rad that. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So maybe that would make a difference.
Maybe. Like, just get the answers and then radical.
Yeah. And then what's our N1? 8519. Pull up divided by holy cow.
What?
I just have a lot of zeros, so I have to type in
Oh, no.
9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Okay, let's try this. Square root. Dang it! So I got like 5 million.
That's what I got, like, the first time I did it was a 5 million number.
Yeah, so maybe we're doing like our X's wrong. Because like those numbers or ends, but that wouldn't make sense because where else would we get those?
I think our numbers are right. I just don't know if I'm plugging in things correctly, which is, like, the stupidest ever, but
Yeah.
I'm just
And
gonna
I did each one like separately so that I wouldn't have that problem.
I mean, I got a 5 million
But
number when I started, so
5 million. I'm just
I might leave those two and email her
yeah.
and just be like, here's what I'm typing in. Is this, why is this wrong?
Yeah, for reals. So then we just get 2 wrong, hopefully. Oh, let me turn it in and see.
Hopefully, ideally, but it's math, so who knows?
I know. I feel like this wasn't very hard. The beginning of
No.
the semester, and now it's like weird, crazy hard.
Also, I was like, I might actually be okay because I got a really good grade on the first test. I got like a 96.
Nice, nice.
And then this second test just destroyed my whole life.
Mhm.
I hit so bad.
Dang, we got 6 and 7 wrong,
Frick.
and 8 and 9.
Oh my gosh. So we got 3 and 4.
Yeah.
And we still got 6, 7, 8, 9 wrong.
Mhm. And then we got the 16 and 18 wrong, and then everything else right. So I mean, I got a 76 on the test
Mm-hmm.
on our
Yeah,
quiz.
I think if we have 3 and 4 right,
Yeah.
how are we missing 6, 7, 8, 9? How are we missing those?
I don't know.
Okay, well, 6, we could switch out 129 for, let's see. Okay, so the problem said let P1 be the proportion of females in the population who can taste. So P1 would be 52, and P2 would be 42. I think that's where we did it wrong. Because weren't we plugging
What were you
70 and 59?
Yeah.
For
I can't remember what we did on. Yeah, let's just try it.
because it says it in the problem. If you read like the first sentence, it's like let P1 be the proportion of females who can taste, and P2 be the proportion of males who can taste.
Oh, the male? Wait, I thought that's what we were doing though.
I thought we were plugging in 70 and 59 before, and then before that we were plugging in like 94 or something weird.
Oh, okay.
I don't think we plugged in yet 52 and 42 for the lower.
Oh, okay.
Well, we don't even need it for the lower though.
Yeah, because we got P1 or P number
Never
3
mind.
and
I mixed up the formulas. Never mind, then I don't know why we're getting it wrong.
maybe it's like syntax again, like how we're plugging it into the problem.
True, that's what I'm wondering. If we have 3 and 4 right, we should be able to get those. Because
we have the correct formula.
I
don't know.
I might just have to like email her because I don't know how we got those wrong if we have 3 and 4 correct.
Yeah. I mean, we could try it again, but...
Yeah, I'll try it again with you.
Okay. Let's see.
And then B is 1.96, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, and I got negative 0.1929.
For the...
If you just do that little section of the formula.
Yeah. Okay.
P1 is...
So our N1 is 70.
Yeah,
right?
P1 is 70.
Okay, and then plus.
Plus, and then P2 is 0.712.
Mm-hmm. By 59.
And divided by 59, right?
Mm-hmm.
I got negative 0 for the lower. I got negative 0.152.
Okay, because I did the lower and I got 0.185 instead of our 0.187.
What did you get?
0.185. For the, which one did I do?
Lower.
For the upper. Did the upper.
Okay, I did the lower and I got
Okay.
negative 0.152. And what'd you get for the upper?
0.185.
I don't know if my lower is right. You can try it and see.
Okay. It's crazy that we get like different numbers.
Every time, whatever.
Okay, so I got 0.123.
0.123?
Yeah, negative.
0.12.
Yeah, negative 0.1.
You usually get it right more than I get it right, so we can try yours if you want.
I don't even know. We need Josh and his extra quiz.
He just texted me. He's just finishing up at work. So like we don't have to turn this one because I'm gonna have to go get him in a minute. We can always like have him try it and see.
That's true.
We don't have to turn the second one in quite yet.
Yeah. Okay.
So we can get it in by what 11:59 or something.
Uh huh.
And adopt like the design the study.
Oh yeah.
Did you have a chance to like go back through? I read her email and like kind of
Yeah, I looked over it and it didn't, because her email, I mean, she kind of, I think there was, let me bring it up.
okay.
There was one she talked about, like, oh dang, I'll have no idea how to do that. But let me.
The only one I didn't know how we would fix would be one where she was like talking about Mew and stuff.
Okay, yeah, that one. I didn't know what Mew. I mean, I read that it's like our thing that we're trying to measure.
It would be number 5 is the one I wouldn't know how to do.
So I'll have to.
If we shoot her an email about it tonight, she should answer by tomorrow so we can get it back into her. So like let's fix what we can and then leave 5 and then
Yeah.
and then just be like, hey, we fixed everything else. The only one we have a question on is 5.
Yeah. Okay.
So we just need to figure out like so number 3 she like fixed for us. It's 1 fun size bag.
Mhm.
And then number 4 is kind of fixed for us.
Yeah, the number of.
Number
and then
9,
5, the hypothesis.
how many bags of fun size items do we plan on getting?
I didn't know what you guys wanted to do, because we could like each get a bag of like the, or we could do.
I mean, we can each get a bag. I don't care. We can even just go buy a bag.
Yeah. And just the pack with like 15 or whatever little packs in it.
Yeah, we can go buy one. I have to go to the store anyway.
Okay, I'll buy one and then we can just both do it.
Okay, I'm fine with that. It's just 2 bags. And then 10.
Yeah, well, I was going to say for 5, I know how to write the hypothesis correctly. Because I know what symbol to use, but then from you, I don't know, so.
Yeah, I would just email her about that. Hopefully she's always way quick at responding. And then that way she can show like, hey, we fixed all the other ones. We are just waiting on that part number 5.
Yeah.
Okay, so then number 9, so it'd be 30 fun size bags then, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Unless, I don't know, should like each of us get one?
Yeah, I'm fine with that. So we'll buy 2.
Yeah. I don't know how expensive they are.
I don't really care. I just got called the nursery. I'll just give it to them on Sunday. Whenever we're done with the project.
Yeah.
Okay, so that would be.
And then I'll have to go back to lesson 11 and read all that stuff.
So that would be 45.
Yeah, because that's what she says in an email. She says, I'm assuming you each will get one.
Yeah, so
a total of 45-ish. Yeah. Because I looked up online, like, how many are in each, like, pack, and it said, like, 15 to 17 bags. And I was like, what? Like, shouldn't it be a consistent amount?
Yeah, so.
Kind of weird, but.
Just, and even if you wanted me to, I can even help retype it, but they're pretty much easy fixes.
Yeah, I can just do it.
Okay.
An email her, or while you're going to go pick up Josh, I'll work on it.
Yeah. I think he's about done. Okay. So I might like not turn in this quiz yet until we can have
an open
cider.
Yeah, can we post 2 videos, or should we just leave it up and running?
I'm just gonna be done with the video. I don't think it will really matter. Like she saw us work through the problems.
Okay, but even though Josh wasn't in it?
Yeah, he was fine with missing it. It was just like the time you missed. He'll be okay.
Okay.
So, I'm gonna go ahead and stop filming it now because it's been like an hour and a half.
Okay.